Hey Tommies, welcome to DAT Family 5. My name is Atoya, wife of Douglas, mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. We are the family that loves life and having fun and give you the inspiration and motivation that you need to get whatever you need to get done throughout your day and throughout your life. Today is a collab with my lovely friend Crystal Renee, and I'll be going ahead and introducing her right now. Alright, so this is my girl Crystal Renee _ lifestyle on Instagram, Crystal _ Renee _ lifestyle on Instagram, and on YouTube is just Crystal Renee. She is a wonderful wife of one. She lives in North Carolina. She loves doing homemaking, home decor, cleaning and organizing, and a little bit of hauls on her channel. She is such a sweetheart, and she loves doing the things that she do. I thank you so much, Crystal, for asking me to do this collab with you, with a little baby YouTuber like myself. I really truly appreciate it. So now we're getting on to this organizing of my own. Okay, so the story behind this real quick. I had thought I bought a cube organizer to go into the closet, but then the husband comes in and he's like, I don't want to do that. And I'm like, okay, fine. And so you'll see all the clothes go out the drawers into the cube organizers, back into the drawers. You'll see that, and then you'll see me go through my other drawers, and then you'll see when we'll get our new bed. I'm so excited. Our bed looks funky right now just because it's on a king size bed frame, a king size adjustable frame, and you see the king size headboard, but the mattress itself is a queen size because we were waiting for our, I'm just gonna say SN bed, but it didn't come. And if you want to hear all about that story, you can go ahead to any podcast platform and look up DAT Married Life, DATMARRIEDLYFE, and hear me and Douglas talking about those shenanigans and just talking about our life. So here I'm just, like I said, I'm just going through clothes, and I'm actually doing a little bit of decluttering also. Just like Crystal Renee, I had my hysterectomy. She had hers about a month or so ago. I had mine in November, so I was just going through everything and decluttering. I finally got all my energy back, and I feel wonderful. So that's what we're doing here, just getting those little things together, get into this closet, because the last video I did, guess what, we didn't touch this closet, and y'all know, y'all get all the motivation out of this closet, at least on my side. So that's what we're doing here. As always, throwing stuff on the floor, sorting through them, and then putting them back in where they belong. So I hope y'all enjoyed this and the music, and yeah, don't forget to go over to Crystal Renee's Instagram and her YouTube channel, and go ahead and subscribe to her channel, be part of her family, also part of my family. If you are coming over from Crystal Renee's YouTube channel, welcome, welcome, welcome to the family. Welcome to becoming a Tommy, because that's what y'all are when y'all come in, because we love y'all. We thank y'all so much for all the support, and once again, Crystal, I love you, sis. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'll be back with y'all soon.
But I'm pretending it's not my fault. No, no, no. The way you make it you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, nah, nah. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Around me like a borderline, our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. So I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day. Oh, 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 oh. Why do we put each other through hell? Why can't we just get over ourselves? I know I should. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. Yeah, so I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Yeah. And I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Oh, hey, yeah. Oh, oh, right, yeah, yeah.
Stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day.
So hey you guys, I'm gonna ask y'all not to. This clip of me actually getting stuff out of the garage, Lord have mercy, out of the closet into it. I'm watching Marriage and Motherhood, Gia, and she was doing some TikTok thing she saw, and I was just like, I was laughing and fussing at the same time. It was weird. Gia, girl, you had me laughing, like straight up rolling. I'm like, this chick, really? You need some water. But you know, everybody gotta do the trial and error. So you see, I'm looking, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. It was funny as crap to me. Yeah.
Milk and eggs, brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my
Alright, you guys, so this will be the last time y'all see me cleaning out this drawer because it's gone. So due to the fact that it's a king size bed that is in this room, if we didn't slide the bed over a couple of inches, the mirror door of the closet would not be able to open. We're thinking about upgrading and getting barn doors, but my house is not a farmhouse style home, so yeah, we're working on that. But this is the last time y'all see me declutter these drawers, because this thing is getting up out of this room.
milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Ay, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues.
Watching this back makes me laugh because Douglas, he is so animated when he talks, and it makes me laugh, but sometimes it becomes really irritating sometimes too, this married life. But his hands and his faces just be going, and it's just funny. Marriage life is funny.
Sleep with it for one more.
Y'all been here or something?
It's coming today. Come on, man, come on.
What y'all doing?
Isn't that good?
What y'all doing?
I was saying goodbye to my bed, and once it comes into y'all, I won't be able to enjoy it like I want to.
There's a toy you want to. You got that adjustable bed.
This is adjustable good.
Hey, this is adjustable bed. Then why are you getting it done?
And y'all can just get this one, and we can take the other one down. No. I said that to him like 10 times. Because it's just not going to feel right. Because that one's got movement in it. I said, hey, this is going to be covering your windows. Yeah. It's not going to be right because it's not. Why are you pouting? It's not going to be on a solid base. We'll work it out. So, let them get it. Rayne got a bad knee anyway. I don't know if she's trying to act like she's going to be hopping up on it every day.
Man, I'm not fine.
You're going to have to hop up there with this with all new mattresses up there.
Okay. Hey.
Oh, yeah. When they come in, we have to make sure they got the bed adjusted right on the side. Because that little bit of space that's up there need to be over here on this side. I might slide the bed over a little bit. Oh, yeah. As soon as we take this mattress off, I was going to go ahead and say we're going to do that. Well, they can do that while they're in here. Or maybe not, I don't know. That's all. I'm just going to go ahead and have it done. Because I'd rather do it with a mattress now.
Yeah, it's gonna be heavy.
Well, somebody said that it's no more heavy. It's a little bit heavier than a regular mattress, but I was like,
So we gonna lay down on this bed one last time. Shenanigans, just straight up shenanigans. I don't know. I don't know. I don't understand.
What?
my baby. How you doing?
So like I said, so we're getting ready for our I'm gonna tell y'all our budget way of getting our bed. 1, 2, our budget way of getting our adjustable bed, and also our budget way of getting the actual bed frame. Look at our mattress. I'm so excited. We got a mattress. It's weird because you can see it like puffing up. Most craziest thing. You guys, so this is just part 1 of our main/master bedroom refresh. We got a new bed and adjustable frame and a bed frame and all that good stuff. On the next video, you'll be seeing what we have done. Y'all be blessed, and we'll see you on the tube.